All right, let's go.
With hurricanes,
Yeah.
the desert goes.
Okay, she's gonna have to come with us now.
Okay, Kai, you
Stand
gotta
up.
go with them, baby girl.
Stand up. Okay, come over here.
What are those for?
It's for you.
Keep your hands, okay? Come over here, honey. It's not gonna hurt.
No,
Okay,
no, I want handcuffs on. No, don't put handcuffs on. Please, help me, please, help me.
Let's go.
Your grandma's gonna come pick you up, okay?
Oh, I was here to school. I just got you.
Come on, let's go.
No, please let me go.
Okay, come on. You can tell me what happened in the car, okay?
I don't want to go to the police car.
You don't want to?
No, please.
You have to.
No, please. Give me a second chance.
You gotta let it.
I don't want No. Please. 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 Please let me go. No. No, help me.
Okay.
Please. No.
Give me a second.
Appreciate it.
All right, yeah.
Call me if you need something.
Yep.
From this point, they're probably going to send you a subpoena from the state attorney's office. You've been through that. I'm explaining nothing to you. But if anybody has any questions, you can let them know what's going on. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You all right?
I'm upset, but I'm good.
Okay. I do need to get a statement from you, though.
Yes.
Where is this place?
JC, it's across the street from the health department on Central.
It's for children?
Yes.
So they have little kids?
It's not like you think. It's just a bunch of kids in there, and then by law, the parents, if they haven't accumulated enough points to stay, by law, they have to be out of there within 6 hours. So she's going to be picked up and be at home in a couple hours. It's just the parents have to wait for the processing, the paperwork to be entered, and then.
Are like the restraints, are they necessary?
Yes. And if she was bigger, she would have been wearing regular handcuffs. But the youngest I've ever arrested was 7. And he was stealing out of Albertsons and thought it was a joke. All the rest of the kids were crying and he was laughing. And so that's the only reason he went to jail. He didn't think it was serious.
They just gonna drive her around the block and bring her back? Oh, man. I'm sorry. I've never seen it. So, wow.
6,000 people I've arrested over the 28 years. A lot of people.
Are that young? 7 is your youngest?
7 is the youngest. She's 8, isn't she? She's 6. Now she has broken the record. She broke the record.
Ray Smith does want to for him because he beat her yesterday and kicked her and hit her today.
Does she want to do something? Okay, well, let me get started on him. I'm going to need her information, his parents' information for contact, because they're going to have to call, and make sure he gets out of there within 6 hours also. Okay.